Hey drone nerds, Matt here. What is Blue UAS certification and who decides what drones are blue listed? In this video, we will answer those questions as well as showcase one Blue UAS drone solution, the Inspired Flight IF1200A. Here today, we have just one of the Blue UAS approved drones that we offer here at Drone Nerds. This is the Inspired Flight IF1200A. And before we dive into the specs, let's talk about the Blue UAS certification. The Blue UAS certification is given by the government's Department of Defense in the United States. Drones that are listed on the Blue UAS list have gone through rigorous testing for data security, and the parts that make up the drone are domestically produced. This includes the remote used to pilot the aircraft, flight controllers, cameras, gimbals, and ground stations that ultimately make up the entire drone system. Now, there is also NDAA compliance, which has slightly different criteria we will discuss in a future video. However, every drone that is blue listed is also NDAA compliant. Now let's talk about the blue listed Inspired Flight IF1200A. It was designed for the toughest and most demanding applications such as utility inspections, LiDAR mapping, aerial photogrammetry, and emergency response, plus much more with its ability to accommodate multiple types of payloads up to 19.1 pounds. You'll notice that the IF1200A is a hexacopter, hosting 6 propellers with alternated motors being push and pull. This allows for smoother flight and maximum payload capacity. Now, the IF1200A can be flown either with a remote controller or with a computer. The IF1200A is Inspired Flight's heaviest lift aircraft. Featuring a dual battery setup, the IF1200A can achieve max flight time of 23 to 43 minutes depending on the payload it is carrying. It has a max flight speed of 51 miles per hour, so this drone has the ability to move very fast from location to location. It also has great wind resistance, able to handle wind up to 26 miles per hour. Let's talk about the remote controller for the IF1200A. This is the HereLink Blue, made in the USA and constructed from durable metal material. The HereLink Blue has a 5.46-inch touchscreen display. It operates on 2.4 gigahertz frequency with a max range of over 12 miles. It also features AES 128 encryption, and the display has brightness of 1000 nits. Overall, the Inspired Flight IF1200A is a fantastic choice when it comes to Blue UAS listed drones. And stay tuned for more videos on other Blue UAS listed drones we have here at Drone Nerds. If you have any questions, you can leave those in the comments. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. My name is Matt. Happy flying.